a simpler question. So something like 3 point or 3.56. The bar is on this. Okay. Now, if we write this, it's going to be 3.565656 dot 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 like that, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me call this as x. Same thing as calling this as x. Now, what I want to do is, I want to cancel out the decimal part. To do that, I come up with a trick. I say, let me multiply 100 on both sides of this equation. So 100x will be 356.565656 dot dot dot. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Now we'll subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So I'll write equation 1 once more. 3.565656 dot dot dot. If we are subtracting it, see what we are getting. Can you subtract it and tell me what you're getting? On the left hand side?
Okay, 99x.
Very good. 99x. Okay. And on the right hand side?
Everything out. And you get 353.
Very good. Because this part and this part is going to get cancelled. Because this goes on till infinity, all the decimal part will get cancelled because it's exactly the same. Now, x value I've got as 353 upon 99. Do you see?
Yes.
So have I expressed this recurring decimal in the form p by q or
Yes,
a by
sir.
b? I've done it. You understood the process?